I really like playing because it's actually helping me in life with stuff. It helps me know how I'm feeling. It shows people up to just express their feelings without having to hide it from anyone.
It just makes me feel free. If I didn't have it to come to, I'd just be in my room watching TikTok on my phone.
It takes you away to different worlds.
You also forget about all your problems and worries.
Yeah.
You're not thinking about anything else apart from what's right in front of you, and I find that really exhilarating.
Fi'n hoffi ti ddim angen cael ei ddweud beth i wneud, ti just gallu mynd a wneud beth bynnag ti moyn a chwarae cael hwyl.
I love it that it's just when you have a friend or other kids that you've never met before, but then you're playing a game with them. It makes you smile, which makes me really happy when I see other kids smiling.
Cool how you can do whatever you want and you can use your imagination to think
Do anything.
Yeah.
If you're being cooped up the whole time, you don't really learn to grasp everything in life. So you just gotta get out and have fun.